Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
We stand sweat. Neso. We stand sweat. Neso. We stand sweat. Neso. Long live Northeast. Long live Northeast. Long live Northeast. We want AFSPA. We want AFSPA. We want AFSPA. We want AFSPA. Long live Northeast. Repeal. Repeal. CAA. Repeal. CAA. Repeal. CAA.
Ki samla puli jong skul ba Nehu ha ka singi balang kila Snohkti lang ha ka jinga ki ba jai jong ka North East Students Organization ka bala pelong ha ka khatnyu trek nai lat arajar ar ha barok ki jela jong ka than chatai lam ngi gari India ban dawai ka sarkar India bahkan penteri kamno ya ka airline permit ha barok ka wi ka than khnang banyada na ka jingwan rong kerthep ki menderi lasdang ini jinga ki ka ba jai ha plau jong ni skul ba da ka jinga rally ka bala sedang na Central Library ka Nehu.
And today we stand hand in hand with the Neso in order to demand the rights of the Northeastern Hills region. We made the demand which have been put up by the Neso in the charter, which is the influx problem, the withdrawal of AFSPA from the Northeastern state, and to establish education policy in the Northeastern region, and to also helped in the development of the economic of the Northeastern state. The Northeastern Hills University is the largest university in the Northeastern region, and as the students of Nehu, we feel that it is our duty to support and to demand the rights of the students of the Northeastern region. We support them in our university to show that the students in the university, they are with them.
Te nga banum nang rani Presiden jongki isu Nehu unit te mentas ngi yo ini ki kitab ong peaceful march kita ka rally ba jai man pelong ne pos skul ba Nehu po jingilam hadin berjing penbet jong Nehusu ngilayo ban cimentalang merengkat bat kiwi pat ki kenhuan ki ba don hang ne pos skul ba ki brin ki kiwi ki jaj benriu ki ba kentup na ki naga ki mizo nang ta ki napo ki garo bat ki kiwi ki ba don hang ne te ka jing temu jong ni ka long ba haswa ba mas nakaliang jong Nehusu katip ba nakaliang ni su kan pelong ki ka sit in demonstration ka bandawai ki bun ki jing don kam ka ba ki pat ba than stilam ngi ki don kam te ngi klemlendet ngi la pentip ki ngilam jong kan Neso ki bakan top ya kinong ilam jong central body jong kasi student union bangin penlong lang ni peaceful march ni po school ba kanong rim kalong ba ni jiet ya kan ni ben pelong ni po school ba ni hu kalong bangibun ni kidon kena kidon samla pule ki ba na ki ki jaj benri ki badon ning mentangi yo ben wan lang keju ki satri ngin bangin pen i saki wei pan nang ni na po school ba bangir ngidon rengkat bat ki Neso bat ngidon keju ke jing temu bat keju ke jing perkhat namta ki daw ba dawsan jong ki babun kamtap me jong gajat benriu khasi jongi kat kum ka jing dawa jong ni sohing tu kalong ba ban itu ban aino ka inner line permit habaro ki we jela jong than stilam mingi haba nadu menta nidang i tang Manipur Arunachal Pradesh ban Nagaland ki badang yo hani ka jela mi halia ka jela Assam bat ki we jela kidang langkrang ka rukum mi jong ki brio manabar te ka baar kalong ba kadi ban ka sarkar India kadi ban repeal no ni di ban weng no kita Citizenship Amendment Act wat adian ba kipat ba jong than stilam mingi kila pen i jing persyak bajur ni ka bil hakisnem baladeb hani na kaliang sarkar kimi kam chimla sangap ka persyang maniat bichakmat te kata kadi ka kasur ka bami na kisamla pule ki baron ne po skul ba ni hu don hi palat like pangut saus pangut ye namar ki asmis kimla ban simenta mencu banrap nendiat ba ki asmis hi ba pule po ni hu ki bon badan po technology department te ka bitek mentabun kim 4 long kelas te na kaliang jongki kila ong ingi ba kimla bandan ta namar Kimpat don kidang dunai kena asmit sini bat lidar udang don sipo Guwahati sipo Assam. Ni porsi bejing sedang ni po Nehu Central Library niat pelun-pelun ni kisaudong saukun jong skul ba ngilayat yang tindak khmat jong kamera office trikam jong vice chancellor nang tangi poi sipo girls hostel sipo trot singer house ban ni penkut hi mentahang ni. Kani karali kembangi sepentip pi ban meni slogan yang pertawi stand with Neso. Kemudian kiki gan Neso kale nang kaliang semula puli jong Nehu nadadian mangi kinwan ru ngidi bandan mi kita mensiam ba ngidan mak Neso namar tang kerteng lu ngiladi bun stu chai bangi ong kan North Eastern Hill University nga ong perlok ki badina mizo naga ma pidon ne pidi ban sneu ma kadai ga jong pi hi namar tang kerteng plas sneu dadon ginu ki mat ba nakaliang ki brio nanti po minyan India ki temu ban penkela ya ki ak jong badan pos kulba ni hu mala ong ki mene balong bala akloi tada ngi sim ganu ka inisiatif bangin persya namar du mentai ngi tip sai badon sibun ki jing temu ban penkela na kumni kumtai ban penio nong pat ki wi jet menriu ki bam chamdei kita ki pat riulum na po than sti lamingi kembangi tip hi ba ya ke Nehu na thau kerpang hi ban penkiu ya ki tribal jong ki than sti lamingi te henri bangi i ki wi ki jela ki layo la ka jong ka university te menta kala di sa kini Nehu ka di ban pit kerpang mit tangi tribal ki badon po jela mi khaliahi.
My name is Vil Moipuya. I'm the president of All Mizo Postgraduate Students Union, and today we had a successful peaceful rally in Nehu under the guidance of Nehusu. And today I would like to speak about the interstate boundaries problem and also international our national boundary problem as well. As we all know that we have inter-boundary problems with Assam, and with our northeast state, and I would wanted to say that please resolve this interstate boundaries problems so that permanently, so that there will be no longer interstate boundary problem in the future. I joined the rally because to show that Northeast, we are, even though we are from different tribe, we are united as one, and we stay together as one, and we have the same problem, and we have the same, and all the Northeast tribe, we are emotionally attached. And on that, I support the peaceful rally, and I would like to thank the Nehusu for organizing this, and I would like to say that I support Neso for this peaceful rally.
My name is Limasanla Ajem. I am the chairman of NBJCC. Under the Northeast Students Organization and Nehusu, NBJCC stands in full support towards the peaceful rally conducted today. The problems of Nagaland are many, but I would like to highlight the most important problem, that is the AFSPA Act. AFSPA has been in force in Nagaland since 1995, so it is our demand to fully revoke AFSPA from Nagaland. Although AFSPA has partially been revoked from Nagaland due to the Oting incident that is still fresh in our minds, we want the center to fully revoke AFSPA and let the citizens of Nagaland live in peace.
Hi, I'm Dodi Chugasal W. Muman, President, Atsik Nehu Student Union, Silong. So I thank Nehusu for organizing this rally program with the support given to the Neso, because our demand needs to be heard and should not be neglected by the government. Our demand for repealing of CAA and including of our language Garo from this Meghalaya state only, the Meghalaya state from Khasi, Garo, language should be included in its schedules, and the government should withdraw the AFSPA from all the northeastern states, and they should know that our rights need to be heard by the government.